Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a square minus b square. So this one, that is about a minus b. So we want to create about a square minus b square. The reason in here, I want to cancel about the square root. Similar for this one. To create about this one, we need to multiply by a plus b on numerator and denominator. Next, about this one, we can apply the formula in here. So we have s minus number 3 and s plus 3. So this one, we have s plus 13 minus 4 s plus 1, because this one we have the power 2. So number 2 with the power 2, we have number 4. This one we have negative 4s, negative number 4. So s minus 4s, we have negative 3s. 13 minus 4, we have positive number 9. Next, we can do about factorization by negative number 3. Next, we simplify s minus 3 on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put number 3 cone here, here and here. So we have the final answer. So this one, we have the final answer. We have negative number 1 over 16. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.